Dig, if you will, a picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. The sweat of your body covers me. Can, my darling, can you picture this? You will, a courtyard, an ocean of violets and blue. Animals strike curious poses. I feel the heat between me and you. Only this time, only worlds. Na 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 na. Do 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 tonight. I wanna give it all to you. In the darkness, there's so much I wanna do. And tonight, I'm gonna lay it at your feet. 'Cause girl, I was made for you. And girl, you were made for me. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. I can't get enough of you, baby. Can you get enough of me tonight? I wanna see it in your eyes. Feel the magic. There's something that drives me wild. And tonight, we're gonna make it all come true. 'Cause girl, you were made for me. And girl, I was made for you. Nah. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. I can't get enough of you, baby. Can you get enough of me? Oh, oh. I can't get enough. Oh, oh. I can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, I can't get enough. Yeah. Na 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 na. I was made to love you. Oh, what? All right. I was made for loving you. And to close out the show, I don't know, what do you think? Kind of already did the Kiss tune for the day. Should we do another Prince tune? I always screw this up, but here's a song by Prince. last June when her old man ran away. She couldn't stop crying 'cause she knew he was gone to stay. 10:35 on a lonely Friday night. She was sitting at the bar and baby, she was looking alright. I asked her if she wanted to dance and she said that all she wanted was a good man and wanted to know if I thought I was qualified. I said, baby, don't waste your time. I know what's on your mind. I might be qualified for a one-night stand, but I could never take the place of your man. Bad when she told me with tears in her eyes. He was all she ever had and now she wanted to die. Left her with a baby and another one on the way. She couldn't stop crying 'cause she knew he was gone to stay. She asked me if we could be friends and I said that, oh honey, baby, it's a dead and you know and I know that we wouldn't be satisfied. I said, baby, don't waste your time. And I know what's on your mind. I might be qualified for a one-night stand, but I could never take the place of your man. Something like that. Okay, I guarantee I'll get this one wrong. But this is Purple Rain. I never meant to cause you any sorrow. I never meant to cause you any pain. I only wanted one time to see you laughing. I only wanted to see you laughing in the purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Such a shame our friendship had to end. I never wanted to be your weekend lover. I only wanted to be some kind of friend. Baby, I could never steal you from another. Such a shame our friendship had to end. I did screw it up every time. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Yeah. Purple rain, purple rain. All right, what is that, 12 minutes? 12 and a half minutes. Do we have time for one more song? Operator, can you help me place this call? See, the number on the matchbook is old and faded. She's living in LA with my best old ex-friend Ray, guy that she said she knew once and almost hated. But isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that. Give me the number if you can find it, so I can call just to tell them I'm fine and to show overcome the blow. I've learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. But that's not the way it feels. No, no, no. That's not the way it feels. Operator, can you help me place this call? I can read the number that you just gave me. There's something in my eyes, you know it happens every time I think about the love that I thought would save me. But isn't that the way they say it goes? Well, let's forget all that. Give me the number. Okay, let's just not do that song. You have been watching, and you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons. This is Natasha. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa. Oh, what?